What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we have two trades. We went from red to green on the same ticker, all within the same 5 minutes. It was crazy. My first entry was not that great, and I'll show you why, and I'll show you how I was able to keep my cool and come back and get out of that red. All right, guys, so let's jump right on into this. I wasn't even going to trade today in the morning just because the overall markets were bleeding horribly. So I figured most of the volume would be over onto, trading options on the SPY, maybe some TVIX trading. I figured people would be looking at some of the bigger names and the small caps wouldn't be doing too hot. So I actually stayed in a little bit later this morning and didn't get up as early as I normally do for the market. I got up, took a peek, went right back to bed just so that I could stay away. But while I was getting ready, I saw BLIN was making some extremely big moves. And we know how that stock with such a low float can move extremely fast and make some extremely big moves, right? So I got on my desk let me make this smaller so you can see. I got right at my desk right here on this, when this candle opened up. You see it here? Yeah. When this candle opened up, I was at my desk and I was looking for it to break over this area right here. But that was a mistake. That was a very big mistake on my side. And why was it a mistake? Because if you were short here and the stock has opened and gapped down, you're confident in your short. Any bounce attempt to this area is going to be reshorted. It's just going to be reshorted. No one's going to squeeze out right there because you were short up here, right? So I got long in this candle here as we broke over this, thinking we were going to get a squeeze, and that was wrong on me. What I needed to do was wait for a break and hold of that area. If we break and hold that area, then the shorts would start to feel a little bit uncomfortable and start to cover. So that's what happened here. I only have the losing trade recorded. I don't have the winning trade recorded, which kind of sucks. Oh, I don't even have the losing trade recorded. I'm sorry, guys. This all happened so fast I didn't even get to record them, but I do have the orders here and I'll show them to you. Let's see here. So I'm in 500 shares at 732 and I got stopped out as it was starting to come back down under 7. I was trying to stop out around 7, but it's trading so thin, I didn't get stopped out until 691, causing me a $212 loss, which was not fun. It was not a fun moment. I got a little pissed, but I remained cool a little bit after that. A couple minutes later, I got my cool back and said, all right, let's relook at this chart and let's trade this properly. So my next entry was at 743 and I exited at 794, bringing me back to the green on the day. So from down 200 and something dollars to up 36 bucks, 37 bucks. Not bad. It's better than being down 200 and something, right? So what happened was this next candle here, we break over, and as we break over, these are 3-minute candles. I'm seeing that there's a lot of support in the 730 area, and 730 is holding up, and 730 is holding up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get back in this. I'm gonna get back in this because short circuit starting to feel uncomfortable here, and I'm pretty confident we're gonna squeeze up to $8 at this point. So I jumped in there at 743, as my orders show right here, 743, 500 shares. And then I got out on a limit order at 794, all 500 shares, making my $200 loss back plus some profit. I'm glad I got right back out of there because people probably re-jump short here again at $8. That's what I was thinking. That's why I limit ordered out in front of $8 and it came back down. Now we're trying to curl back up. We're holding VWAP and we're holding this 9 EMA. I would not be surprised. Volume's increasing slightly. I would not be surprised if this squeezes right back over $8. But I am not going to push my luck again. All right? I'm not even supposed to be trading today. So I'm not going to push my luck today. I'm going to take this little green day, book it, go home happy. How did you do today? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to do me a quick favor and subscribe so you can stay tuned to all my upcoming videos. I will have some new videos coming up this week. that I think you're really going to enjoy. Oh, look, as we're closing out, look at it testing $8. Let's see what it's going to do. 790 on the ask. Volume is increasing. This is interesting. Let's see what it's going to do, guys. I wish I had my water here. My voice is getting a little raspy there. No position. I'm not gonna buy this, much less here. The buy here would have been for me again in these 730s in front of VWAP and this 90 MA. I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back again to this 90 MA and back down here in the 740 area. What's the 5-minute setup? Look at the 5-minute, looks a little weird. Take a look at that 5-minute. That $8 shorts are piling up there. If this thing gets through $8, it could see 9 real quick. But it's going to see it without me because I'm not trading it again. Well, it looks like it might do it, but I'm not going to hold you guys up anymore, I'm sure. Oh, wait, there it goes. There it goes. $8 coming. Here we go. We should see like 810, 820 real quick if it's going to go. There it is. 825, 830. There it is, guys. There it is. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? But I'm happy on the day. I got out of that nasty red, back onto the green. Let me know how you did. Did you catch this trade right here we just watched? Or were you sitting on the sideline? That retest of that, you know, that 90 MA. Look at that. That 90 MA area was good. Look at that. Called it. We called it real good, didn't we? Did you catch that? Did you trade that by any chance? Drop it in the comment section below. Smash that like button, and I will catch you on the next one.